What's your name? Nice to meet you, Alex.
它这段好像拿过黑。
This is my favorite part.
Scalp, right?
Okay.
We've been after, and we got to brush the whole hair first. After we do the ombre for you.
Maybe it's under. It's too big. Step 2, we're on to bleaching the hair. Let's see how light we can get this. We have high hopes. Oh my gosh. I can see it actually lightening in front of our eyes like magic. I love it. Alright, progress. Lightening is happening. We're like 30 minutes in. Doing great.
Alright guys, it's already down. So when you're waiting 40 minutes and 40 minutes down, you're going to be a golden lady, okay?
I love it! 40 minutes, we'll catch you then. Do the job. Bleach, lighten my hair. I'm ready. Y'all gotta get ready. See this greatness? 3, 2, 1. Wait, oh no. I failed. Okay, cheers! Cheers! Gumbe! Look how light it got. Isn't that awesome? Insane. That's magic right there. That's literally magic. Here's the 2-hour mark. I wish you could see. This is so blonde and so nice. It's working. Crazy. All the way back. We're back. Ooh.
Yeah, golden lady, huh?
I know. You're like magic. That feels so good. What? Hair washing done. Time for round 2. Round 2.
White.
Yeah! 54. About an hour, maybe more or less. Complete part 2. Oh god. Thank you, you guys. I'm so messy. Alright, last step is color. After I know I'll wash. You look like you're cooking. See the color on the bottom. Now we're gonna do the roots. Hey! I love it. Oh my gosh. Looking great. Go. She's fun. It's Tina! We're at the last process, the last washing. Let's do it. All the way. Perfect. All the colors. Crazy. Everyone's hanging. Last step. This is it right here. New chair.
Now will be a little ash. When you wash one time, the ash will be a little down. Will be something like blood, ash blood.
Okay, sounds
Okay.
good. How long have you been doing hair? Oh my gosh, you look so young. No. Yeah.
Yes. Wait, you shake your hair, right? Yes. Woo. Turn. Oh, that's our model.
Crazy. Got the curl. It's so soft. It smells delicious, juicy, flowy. Oh my god, so light. Layered. And I feel like a brand new woman. I can breathe. It literally flows. I feel like I'm like a whole hair model right now. What? Resume, better than that. And you put like Alex put some crazy stuff in my hair that like is just so effortlessly soft.
Look here. Oh, cute. Slaying a new hair color. I see you.
This is like the best part.
This is like
I want to see you over here on the other side of the camera.
I am under.
Wait.